Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your rear child door locks in the 2025 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an LX 2.5 liter all-wheel drive in ebony black. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head to the rear door here. I'm going to open it and show the inside. So right here is the little symbol for the rear child door lock. So if you happen to have a Sorento that has this with a little slot on the inside, you would just go ahead and put your key in and give it a twist to make sure that the child door lock is activated. But right now you can see this one has almost like an upside down A inside of it. And I'm going to show you why. And the reason why there's an A there is because technically it's automatic when we go ahead and press this button on the inside driver's door. So there's a little symbol there that looks like the window lock button. And then you have a little, looks like a little child, I guess, symbol showing you that this does the child door lock as well. So in our other Kias, there would be a button here that's just for the window lock, but this one here is combining the window lock and the child lock together. So when I go ahead and press this button, you're going to actually see on the instrument cluster that it confirms that the child lock is now on. And there's also a light down here to show that it's on. So if somebody were sitting in the back seat and this is on, they can't open the door at all, and they can't play with the window switches in the back for the window either. And when this is activated, this is for both rear doors and both rear windows. And then if you wanted to release it to let anybody out, all you have to do is go and press it. And again, it's going to confirm now that it's off. The light is off, and now the child lock and window lock are now off. And just to note, the vehicle does not need to be running when you go to turn this feature on or off. In all of the trim levels here in Canada, we have this on it. So that's why if you happen to see that there's an A there, this button is the one that's going to activate and deactivate your child lock. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.